I'm glad I made it just the right size to get it out of the house.
That is actually the perfect size to make something. Okay. I think there's enough depth to this car. Should we open the boot and find out?
Yeah.
Option 1. I'm feeling hopeful about that. Yeah, that's not going in.
We could try to put it in the back of the car as well. It just, I could scrunch up in the back so Mike can ride shotgun. Oh boy. Come on.
Don't pop a hole.
Well, it's in.
Unfortunately, none of us can get in.
So theoretically, right, you drive to the location, drop it off, come back and pick us up. Just leave it in the bushes, no one's gonna take it.
Yeah. You don't know that for a fact. This is a high quality product.
We're gonna hope no one takes it.
Appears to be what the plan is going to have to be.
Alright.
Okay.
You've got maps? It's just down the way.
Got maps.
Remember, there's the dog training place right on the right.
Dog trading place?
Sure.
This is a dog heist now.
So, is that as secured as it'll be? Do you want me to try and shut it harder?
Yeah, maybe.
And then you go right, and then you just go straight. Those cutoffs are right there. And then just park right around there, because that's the quarry.
Okay.
Alright.
See you on the high seas, my brother.
See you on the high seas.
Oh. He's gonna go and steal that boat, and we're never gonna see him again. Take the paddles, and then he can't use it. Jesus Christ. It's driving the boat to my death, I suppose.
Pretty good.
Boat successfully hidden. If I quick enough, I think we've bloody gotten away with this. It's boat's over in there. Payload secured. We got this. Let's go find those goddamn boys. Here he is. Successful trip? Hell yeah.
Safe and sound,
As long as it does not become stolen.